I say I'm a popcorn boy. Yeah, I'm a popcorn boy. I like toasted cinnamon kettle corn. I like caramel cheddar corn. I like Mamma Mia pizza. I like birthday cake corn. I'm a popcorn boy. Yeah, I'm a popcorn boy. Yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tayway here, and you feel me? Today, we are eating popcorn all day, like all day. I'm not eating nothing else. No real pizza, no real birthday cake, no real caramel cheddar corn, no toasted cinnamon. You feel me? I'm eating straight doughs, just and popcorn. Now, I really don't want to do this, and I might not make it. I'm not gonna lie, but if I don't make it, I'm gonna punish myself. No, man, I'm not. I'm gonna last, y'all. I can do this. But look, for breakfast, I'm gonna start off with this right here. That toasty cinnamon kettle corn.
I don't know nothing about that.
You feel me? Hold on, wait. All right. So I'm gonna be doing a lot today, actually. But I guess I'm gonna start off in my room. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now. So it's not that much to do. So I'm gonna go eat. I never had these before. It tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Hold on. I'll be right back. Hold that thought. Don't judge. Don't knock it until you try it. If you want something, hit me up. This might be good. It's like, I'm not even gonna cap. This might be good. Y'all pay milk first, or y'all pay cereal first? I do cereal, as you can see. I don't even eat cereal no more because you're not getting no good energy from it. You're getting sugar energy. You feel me? You need protein energy. So I don't even eat cereal for real. But this tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Why the popcorn get soft? Bro. It's not good no more. Hold on. Oop. Hold on. I think I found a new breakfast. Hey. Don't knock it until you try it. I ain't gonna lie. Boy. What? Damn. Y'all, listen, no, Fredo. Just ignore this. Okay, so this how I'm gonna do the how I'm gonna split the popcorn up. So this is breakfast, obviously. It tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This is gonna be the snack. Okay, this gonna be dinner. And I'm gonna have birthday cake for dessert. And mind you, I don't even eat dessert. You're not eat breakfast. But I might start. Hey, if y'all want something, I'll say something for y'all. If y'all want something, hit me up. You feel me? Okay. Dinner gonna be at 6. And then dessert gonna be at like 8. And then a snack. What time the snack gonna be? Whenever I want to snack on something, right? Y'all don't have a snack time, do y'all? Lunch? Oh, lunch gonna be at 12. But mind y'all, I'm gonna do something later. Bro, it's like mid until you get like a good popcorn and it's like a burst of flavor. Like, It low-key smack. But okay, I'm gonna rate this. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. All right, I promise y'all I will not eat no food. I'm gonna see y'all at lunchtime, or no. Well, whenever I'm hungry and I want to eat this. So y'all, I got 2 nephews to feed cereal to. You think it really finna eat some freaking Fruity Pebbles? Oh, no, not what Uncle Tailway. They finna eat some toasty cinnamon popcorn, kettle corn, toasted cinnamon kettle corn, caramel by crispy popcorn. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like I said, cereal first. Not too much. I don't want to give them too much. I only got a little bit left myself. I got like 2 hours to eat lunch. It's 9:35. Okay. So I got, ooh, not Fruity Pebbles. But I'm gonna split this. I'm gonna put this in here. Fair share. Fair share. And I'm gonna get the reaction when they taste the cereal.
Eat your cereal, little one. Eat your cereal. And it's
No, don't do that. It's gonna get soft. Just bite it. Tell me how you like it. It's good, ain't it? It's not good at all?
I told you I don't want no popcorn cereal.
You try it. Try the cereal. Try the cereal. You dropped the whole thing. It's good. Oh. It's lunchtime. It's officially 12:30, actually, and I'm actually starving. Like, that toasted cinnamon didn't do nothing for me. It didn't do nothing for me, and I'm moving on to caramel cheddar corn. Since I'm about to go hoop and stuff, I gotta eat before I hoop because I'm actually starving. You cannot hoop on an empty stomach. Let's see what this boy hitting for. I get a caramel and a pizza cheddar. It's milk. That caramel just hit me hard. Nah. Hold on. It's cool. I give it a 6 out of 10.
oh,
But I'm hungry, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm about to go hoop with the bros. Y'all probably can see some clips. But yeah. And if I play bad, remember, I'm running off popcorn.
oh.
Let me stop talking with my mouth full. I'm running off popcorn, y'all. So please give me a break. Oh, she must have did leg day. She can't walk. She can't walk. Look at her, y'all. Look. Ooh. Yeah, she just did leg day. She can't walk. It's actually good. Hey man, I'm playing some good niggas though. Like, this nigga got G on his neck. Yeah though, he got G on his neck. He look like he escaped out of jail cell. Nah, I know her, y'all. But this nigga playing bully boy. He playing bully boy. He playing bully. Want some popcorn? Tell me how it is.
Where you get this from?
My job. I work at the little popcorn place. It's downtown. Nigga, don't put your head in there either, bro. Alright, bet. Tell me how it is. Damn!
That's elite.
Yeah! That's that.
Oh,
Yeah, that's that.
That's elite as fuck.
Hey, Dilly, you want some popcorn? I got popcorn for sale. Oh. I mean, this is the only thing I'm eating all day. I'm about to go home, bro. Cause I ain't about to sit there and let y'all eat food, nigga. I'm still hungry. I'm hungry. This is not cutting it for me, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna make it. Maybe I need to eat some pizza because I'm hungry, bro. It's only 2:15. I'm not even halfway through the day yet. I don't want to do it no more. Sorry, nigga. Them fake. I'm alive, y'all. Only 2:15. About to go in the house, watch the Browns game. Yeah.
This one is dark, man. One other taco? You look like you don't get that. You know like this.
You know the taco.
I said you want another taco? Look.
I'm gonna tell how I feel. This was from breakfast, and this was for lunch. You see, they almost gone. When I eat, I get full. Like I'll be hungry. I'll be real hungry. I get full, but like 20 minutes, it just go away. Like I'm just hungry again. Like I'm literally starving right now, and I got an hour left to eat dinner, which is pizza. I tried this before actually, and I don't think I really liked it. Only reason why I got it again because pizza is something you will eat for dinner, right? Exactly. Now I got an hour left to dinner. If I can't make it through this bag, I'm gonna go back to these. That's why I haven't ate them yet. Well, I'm hungry right now though. I got a snack on this caramel cheddar at least. I'm really starving. And I'm finna DoorDash. Like this food finna be smelling so good. And I'm just eating popcorn. Y'all, it's exactly 6 o'clock on the dot. Like, bro, I was literally staring at the time while I was DoorDashing. Like, bro, I'm really starving and I really want to eat this pizza. I really waited till 6 because that's when people eat dinner for real. Because it's like midday. Or maybe that's lunch. No, because 12 midday. Yeah, 6 is dinner, right, y'all? That's when you're supposed to eat dinner. But yeah, I'm about to try this Mamma Mia pizza popcorn. You know what I mean? No, I can't do it, y'all. I'm about to just start. I can't do it. Hell no, man. What the? I'm about to just finish DoorDashing. Tastes like garlic.
Oh!
It's like, I'm giving that 1 out of 10, bro.
Oh!
2 out of 10, maybe, because I gotta eat it, bro. I'm starving. I'm over here DoorDashing, smelling this good food, man. I can't do it no more. Damn, y'all. I'm feeling it. I'm hungry. I can't eat this, bro. It is disgusting. Watch this. I'm about to just try to eat a handful and see if I get a burst of pizza flavor. See if I get a burst of pizza flavor. Why not? Why not? Fuck you.
Oh!
Somebody.
That is disgusting, bro. I can't. I promise y'all, I'm not overreacting. This pizza is disgusting. I'm about to eat this, bro. I still got this left. I ate all the caramel cheddar corn, but I'm about to just go home, bro. DoorDash not even the same no more. Like, I'm about to go home and yeah, I'm about to chill. No, matter of fact, I'm about to skip the birthday cake. I don't care. I'm not eating dinner. Mama, you can't force me to eat dinner because I'm 19 now and I'm grown. Same with you, dirty.
Oh!
Dirty. I'm eating birthday cake. I'm skipping dinner. I'm going to dessert. Hey, it's number 1 from Squid Game. So I'm home. This. I'm not eating that. These are pretty much finished. Just a toasted cinnamon. This is way better than this. This was really a 6 out of 10. This was a 9 out of 10. This might be the best one. But we're skipping dinner and we're going straight to dessert. And we're about to see how this birthday cake, caramel corn, cheddar taste birthday cake. I ain't gonna say. We're about to see how it tastes though. And you tear it apart. Boom. It's sweet. Oh, good, y'all. This might be better than toasted cinnamon.
Oh!
Yeah. 10 out of 10. Y'all, not gonna lie. My stomach is arguing with my back right now. It's arguing with my back. They both fighting to see who's trying to get back there because my stomach ain't got nothing in it. It's like this is going like nowhere. I didn't use the bathroom today. I didn't like digest this at all. I don't know, bro. My stomach ain't feeling too well. I'm not doing this again. If y'all want me to, I'm gonna need like 10 likes. By January 15th. Oh, good. Hold on. I asked my mom to try this. She ain't like it. But I don't care. I don't know if it's the popcorn making my stomach hurt or that whole milk I drank earlier. I don't even know why I drank it. I really drink almond milk. Yeah, though. Let's go finish this off for the day. It's like 8 o'clock. They didn't even skip dinner I just didn't eat dinner. Honestly. But it's like 8 o'clock. Let's go end the day here. I might eat some food. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This is not cutting me. I don't even have energy. Popcorn, so good. One point? It's amazing. So good. That much.